All right, been on the road for about a week or so with the dog, and I wanted to share with you this little hack I found to get dog hair out. Some people say pumice stones, and I used that before and it works pretty good, but pumice stones wear out and then you have to buy new ones. And we got a good amount of dog hair here, even though I had a cover down. So what I found works really good is a handy tire brush. It's rubber, right? About $6, I think, at the auto parts store. And look at that. Just gets it right off. So look at that. There's so much hair there, didn't even know it was there. Look at that. Just gets it right off there. Look at all that. So, see all that? Oh my gosh, look at all that. There we go. It's processed, but there you go. So there's your nice little dog hair removal hack for getting the dog hair out of the vehicle. Just a rubber tire brush. Works wonders.